Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking Night, kind of doing an unboxing for y'all. This right here is Purposeful Designs. This is a cutting board, and it's made by a furniture company actually. And the really interesting thing about this is this company, actually, their big purposes is to help people who are struggling with rehabilitation, coming out of addiction, coming out of prison, stuff like that, giving people like that kind of jobs and just really helping them get on the right track. So it's a really, really great mission type company here, but they also build some really great cutting boards. And I really wanted to take a look at one. So this is what I have here. Let me show y'all. They have two styles. This one has the darker and the lighter.
He ordered it off of Amazon.
No, actually it didn't come off Amazon. We got it straight from their website, which I'll post a link. But anyway, really nice heavy cutting board. Let me get this box out of the way. In the price, very decent price. I think this one was like maybe $50, $60 at the most, something that just about anybody who could afford it. It's very well built. Again, it's built, by Purposeful Designs. And like I said, a really good company, really good people here, Christian driven company. So they were established, I think, in 2013, but beautiful finish here. And I am happy to have this board here on Southern Coastal Cooking. Isn't that right, Catherine Faye?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll be doing some slicing and dicing on this board, serving some stuff up. And I've got a knife review coming up for y'all really soon, but I'm gonna put a link down to this cutting board here in the description box.